Lady, go!
Okie dokie, y'all. Yeah, it's me, Bug Out. Okay, so we're struggling here on the transplant, but this one, I don't think this one's gonna make it right there. But what I'm fixing to do is I'm gonna make me a sardine slurry, and we're going to give it a try here on these tomatoes, see how it works. Okay, so hold on. So these are the sardines that I got, chicken of the sea in water. They're $1.25 a can at the Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna mix 4 of them in this old coffee container here. Gonna slurry it all up, and then I'm gonna take all that and put it in here, and we're gonna see what happens. Anyway, here's some of the green beans. This is all the green beans I got. I got a few little seeds starting, but anyway, back to the sardine slurry. Okay, here we go. Got some water in here already. The flies are probably gonna get bad, but yuck. My understanding is that you've got to use the ones that are in the water. I've seen this on a YouTube video. Figure it out. Golly, this shit's freaking hard to get open. My hand's gonna smell like fish. Damn it. Maybe I'm supposed to take that. Maybe I'm supposed to take this off here. Nope, don't look like it. Yuck. Try and utilize, get everything out of there that I can. I'm going to put some of this even on those other little tomatoes that I... yuck. Man, I can't stand sardines. Smells nasty. Nasty, nasty. But I figure since I can't get down there to fish in the pond, that what I'm going to do is this. And that video that I watched, I cannot remember the life of me, what channel it was on, or anything like that. And it may not even have been on YouTube. It could have been on Google. So I'm just going to mix it up with my handy dandy mixer. Maybe the flies will go after the sardines instead of me, because they are biting today. Yeah, that's some stinky stuff. Oh boy. It got on my toes. Make this sardine slurry, which is actually a fertilizer. But of course it's poor girl gardening, and I used my food stamps to buy this these sardines here, and so we just mix them all up. I've got to try something because I'm losing my garden, for one, because of the heat, two, the flooded rains that was here a couple weeks ago before the heat came. I'm supposed to have some relief. Look at that, don't that just look appetizing? Hey! Anyhow, you take it, do that. I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pour it in here, hopefully not make a big old mess. There's a bunch of it right there. We've got pieces. That's okay. Whew, that's some stinky stuff. Damn. Whew. Anyway, hold on. I gotta stop it for a second. Okay, so we're gonna take our slurry out here. Part of it anyway. The other part I'm gonna use for the other half of the tomatoes. See, I soaked this ground last night. There was an inch of standing water all over this yard. And ain't nothing happening now. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna, this is what we're doing. Issues, y'all. My patience are thin. Damn, that's some nasty stuff. Anyhow, hold on. Let me get it. Let me continue. Hold up. Alrighty, y'all. I got the slurry mixed up. Everything's broke down as best it's gonna get. I'm fixing to hit the garden with the water hose and the sprinklers. I did these other tomatoes over here as well. Did those. And I did these other ones over there underneath the tree. Okay, it is still 103 degrees outside. I'm out of breath, I'm hot, I'm sweating. The wind is blowing and it sucks. And I couldn't hold the camera and mess with the sardines at the same time, so I apologize about that. But okay, we're gonna see what happens. We should see a result, especially with these ones that have gone into shock. They're gonna come back. They'll come back in the next 3 days. In the next 2 weeks, we should see a big difference on everything. And if not, I'm just gonna let it go because I can't maintain it anymore. I will have tried everything but store-bought, processed fertilizers, done eggs, eggshells, all that. So let me get this water to going. Let's see what happens. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and leave me a comment.